Yo, what's up? Welcome back to One-Eyed Monkey. I'm your host Dean. Today we are taking a look at a two-story charger and what's printing at Starbucks. But let's jump in right after you subscribe, of course. The Zens Quattro Charger Pro 4, which has been recognized as an excellent family charging station. Here are the key points. Multi-device charging. It can charge up to 4 devices simultaneously, making it ideal for families with multiple gadgets. Fast charging. Each device receives 15 W of power, ensuring quick and efficient charging. Versatile design. The charger features a dual-level design, allowing for a compact footprint and an alternate viewing experience. Affordability. Priced at under $150, it offers a smart and cost-effective solution for family charging needs. YouTube Music has recently expanded its AI-powered Ask Music radio generator to iPhone and iPad users. This feature, which was initially launched for Android in September 2024, allows users to create personalized radio stations based on their music preferences. Here are some highlights. Personalized experience. The AI analyzes your listening habits to curate a unique radio station just for you. Enhanced music discovery. It helps you discover new songs and artists that align with your tastes. User-friendly interface. The integration into the YouTube Music app makes it easy to access and use. Elecom has recently launched the world's first sodium-ion power bank, known as the DE-C55-9000 BK. Here are some key features of this innovative product. Capacity. It boasts a total capacity of 9,000 mAh, consisting of 3 battery cells of 3,000 mAh each. Longevity. This power bank can be recharged nearly 5,000 times, which is about 10 times more than traditional lithium-ion batteries. Temperature resilience. It is designed to be safe for use in extreme temperatures, making it a versatile option for various environments. Ports. The power bank includes both USB-A and USB-C ports for charging multiple devices. Samsung is set to launch its Gemini-enhanced Ballie home robot this summer in the US and Korea. This innovative home AI companion is powered by Google's Gemini AI technology, which enhances its capabilities significantly. Here are the key points about Ballie. Functionality. Ballie will assist users in managing their homes, health, and overall well-being. Design. The robot has a ball-shaped design and moves on wheels, making it easy to navigate around the home. Features. It can help with tasks like choosing outfits and selecting wines, showcasing its interactive capabilities. A new AI tool called Cluely, which has gained attention for its ability to assist users in job interviews, sales calls, and exams by providing real-time answers. Here are the key points. Functionality. Cluely operates in a hidden browser window, allowing users to receive AI-generated responses without being detected during conversations or assessments. Background. The tool was developed by Chungin Roy Lee, who previously created a similar tool called Interview Coder, aimed at helping software engineers during technical interviews. Ethical concerns. The emergence of such tools raises significant ethical questions regarding academic integrity and the authenticity of skills demonstrated in interviews and exams. Market impact. Cluely has recently raised $5.3 million in funding, indicating a growing interest in AI-assisted solutions for professional and educational challenges. The opening of Starbucks' first 3D printed store in the United States, located in Brownsville, Texas. Here are the key points regarding its cost and construction. Cost comparison. Initial estimates suggest that the 3D printed store may have cost 2-4 times more than traditional construction methods. This raises questions about the economic viability of 3D printing for commercial buildings. Construction efficiency. Despite facing delays due to material issues, the project has shown improvements in efficiency over time, matching traditional costs in some aspects. Future implications. The success or challenges of this store could influence future decisions on using 3D printing technology in the restaurant industry. The Lorax 2K Wi-Fi lightbulb camera, which offers a unique blend of lighting and security features. Here are the key highlights. Easy installation. The camera screws into standard E26/E27 light bulb sockets, making it simple to set up without complex wiring. Brightness. It provides 400 lumen soft brightness with a color temperature of 6500 Kelvin, ensuring clear visibility. Exceptional clarity. The camera captures video in 2K resolution, allowing for detailed monitoring both day and night. Smart features. It includes customizable settings through the Lorax app, enabling users to control lighting and motion detection. You guys have made it to the end of the video. Make sure to like and subscribe to prove you're awesome. And remember, according to YouTube, the best way to help the channel in the algorithm is to watch another one of my videos right after this video. So if you like this video, you should watch another one. Till next time.